Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the SwitchBot Pan tilt camera. It's a Wi-Fi camera that you can place anywhere in the house and control from your mobile phone. You will be able to move the camera around, and the camera is capable to track people or the pets while they are moving around the zone the camera controls. It works with Google Assistant and with Alexa as well. Amazon Prime Days of 2022 are coming, and SwitchBot has prepared a lot of offers and discounts that you will find in the description of this video. Okay, let's see what came in the box. Okay, here is the camera. It comes very well protected. Let's remove the cover, plastic. Here is the slot for the micro SD card, user manual, micro USB cable. It comes with all the elements you need to put it on the wall. You can install the camera on the roof and use it downwards. The support is very convenient and easy to use. It has 2 screws. Power supply. We can switch from European to UK adapter. This camera is very easy to use and to integrate in the mobile phone. You need to have installed the SwitchBot application. You will find it on the Play Store, or you can go to my channel, look for SwitchBot and search the thermometer of SwitchBot. That was the first video I released on SwitchBot, and there I explain how to install the application. You can click the card on the top right corner now. And please take the opportunity to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to receive the notification when a new video is released. We are going to open the SwitchBot application. We are going to press on the plus button on the top right corner. Okay, it's scanning for Bluetooth devices, no Bluetooth. This one is Wi-Fi, so we need to go down. There is the Pan tilt cam. We press on Pan tilt cam. Okay, now there is a red light. We check that is flashing, and if it's flashing, we click on the flashing red. There is a red LED here that is flashing red. We click on the flashing red button, and now we have to select the Wi-Fi connection. It only allows to select 2.4 GHz. It doesn't work with 5 GHz Wi-Fi. We have to enter the Wi-Fi name and the password. Now we have to place the QR code in front of the camera until we hear this sound. We are going to call this camera test, okay, and use now. Now it's calibrating, okay, you see it's moving around. Okay, we can start to use it. Okay, the camera has several controls. Here we can move it around. The SD card is useful if we want to record video or take pictures when movement is detected. We can talk to the camera, and we can hear as well the camera. Hello? We can define default positions. For example, I can define this as door. Then use the arrows to move the camera to another position. This one we call sofa. And then we can press on the sides, define, and the camera will go to this defined side. When I click on door, the camera moves automatically to the position defined for door. And now I'm going to press to sofa, and the camera is going to go back to the sofa position. SwitchBot offers the possibility to store the images or video in their cloud, so in case the camera is stolen or the SD card is removed or damaged, you will be able still to access to these videos and images that were taken with the camera. The camera could be set in privacy mode to physically cover the camera. Later we can go back to the video mode by pressing on turn on the camera. If we click on messages, we will see one row created every time motion was detected. There we can see at what time and a small picture that was taken of the motion detection. If we click on the picture, we will see this picture in big and we can zoom in. Let's check now the options available on the configuration. To access the configuration menu, we have to click on the three dots that are on the top right corner of the screen. With this, we access the settings. First, I'm going to click on base setting. Here we can turn off the indicator light, flip the screen, remove the time watermark on the recordings, change the dark mode, and do the pan tilt cam calibration. If we go to the motion detection menu, we can disable the motion detection, change the sensitivity, or make it to only detect humans. The night vision setting is set to auto by default, but we can change to off always or always to be on. Here we have an example of a recording with the night vision turned on. In the local storage settings, we are going to be able to see the current status of the SD card and set the recording modes. We can turn on or off the recording, and we can set the recording mode. There are two recording modes, event only or continuous. In event only is going to record only when there is motion detected. The camera is there. Let's see how well it does with the tracking. I'm going to activate the motion tracking. In the gallery we can check the videos recorded and we can download them. Okay, let's check one of the videos of tracking. We can share it as well. We can go to the playback functionality and playback when there was movement detected. We can select a period of time and see what was recorded or the movement that was during that period of time. We can take captures or store videos of the movement we detected and play it later. You can integrate the camera with Alexa. To do that, go to Cloud Services, click on Amazon Alexa and connect. This will allow you to access the camera from the Alexa devices. Show me living room.
Vale.
Hello. We can automate scenes to control the camera movement or camera settings. For that, we are going to create a new scene. In these scenes, we are going to make the camera to look the door when the contact sensor that is installed on the door is open. So for that, I'm going to select the trigger of the action is the opening of the door, so the contact sensor, and I'm going to select the camera. We have several options here like enable, disable motion detection, privacy mode, or recording. And in this case, we are going to use the move to a preset point. I'm going to select move to preset point 2. Now I'm going to show you how to preset the points 2 in the camera configuration. So we go to the camera configuration, okay, and we click on preset point. We select the point 2 and we move the camera to the door so that the camera can see the door. We click save and it's done, it's ready. Let's test it. I open the door, the camera starts to turn to the door and will record who entered in home. There are thousands of possibilities that you can make with the scenes, and in this case we are going to create a new Alexa routine. In this case, what we are going to do is when motion is detected on the camera, we are going to make Alexa to say something. So I'm going to select the camera. When motion is detected, I'm going to select the time period in which we want to create the alarm, and we add an action. In this case, Alexa says, customize. We enter the message, then we click next, and next again. Then we select the device in which we want the Alexa to say the message, and we say the routine. Let's test it.
Alarm, alarm, calling 911.
I hope this video has been useful for you. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, to see more interactions you can do with the SwitchBot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.